Good Yom Tov, happy Sukkos, happy Sukkot, Chag sameach. Welcome to our Sukkah, and welcome to Jewish education at home. So, what exactly is Sukkah? Sukkah is a holiday we celebrate basically for a little more than a week. Depends on where you're living in Israel or outside Israel. So, it's basically you build this hut, a really temporary hut, and you sit in it, and you try to eat all your meals in it. Some people actually sleep in it. Some people do their work, office, important work in it, whatever it is. It's a little bit more than a week of nothing but happiness, celebration, and enjoyment. On Sukkot, main thing we're celebrating is the achdut, Jewish unity. And it's all about coming together, all of us, all of our people. So the Sukkot, the holiday of Sukkot has two parts to it. One of them is the Sukkah itself. Second part is this right here. It's the lulav and etrog. The lulav is made up of three species: the palm, the myrtle, and the weeping willow. I believe that's what it's called. And they are put together. And the fourth species is the etrog. So these four species basically represent the four kinds of Jewish people that are there. Some are really good at doing Torah mitzvot, but not so. But learning Torah is not really their strength. But some people learning Torah is their strength, but doing a lot of community work is not their strength. And there are some who really don't have either, which is fine also. But the point we are trying to make is that no matter what kind of Jew you are, you really matter, and we're all together in it. We all together make the lulav and etrog set. All these four kinds of people make this whole set unique. And even if one of the kinds of personalities is missing, then the set is kind of invalid. So anyway, going back to the lulav and etrog. So this is our lulav and this is the etrog. It's a very sweet smelling fruit, and it's almost like a lemon. Right now I'm going to show you how to shake a lulav and etrog. And remember, it's a big mitzvah to shake the lulav and etrog on Sukkos. Preferably, it's better to shake it inside a sukkah, or else you can shake it anywhere you want. To begin with, you hold the lulav with the spine. You can see the thick part. There's a thick part here on the lulav facing you, and then you hold the etrog in the left hand, and then you make a bracha. Baruch atah Hashem Elokeinu melech haolam asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu al natilat lulav. You can find this bracha that I just made in any siddur. Bring them together and you bring them close to your heart, and then you shake 3 times in 6 directions. You usually think that there are only 4 directions, but there are actually 6 directions. It's right, left, top, front, top, bottom, and to the back. So you hold them like this, and you bring them to your heart, and you shake them 3 times in each direction. To the right, to the left, the front, towards the top, towards the bottom, and towards the back. So you're infusing all the 6 directions of the entire universe with holiness when you do this. And this is just one of a really small tidbit that I just told you, that you're infusing all 6 directions with holiness. But there's a myriads of Kabbalistic reasons why we do this, and what really happens when we shake the lulav and etrog. So at the end of the day, the punchline of Sukkot is unity. It doesn't matter if you're Reform or Conservative or Orthodox, whatever you are. End of the day, these are all man-made religious delineations. Biblically, there is Reform, Conservative, Orthodox is not a biblically mandated delineation. It's something that we made up. The bottom line is, on Sukkot, it's all about unity. Everybody comes together. All kinds of Jews come together, eat in the sukkah, have fun, enjoy this more than a week of a celebration. Just if you have some work to do that's not really important, put it away. If you have something to take care of that's not really important or urgent, put it away. Just chill, relax. This is a birthright that was given to you, a birthright to actually enjoy and be happy and be on kind of sort of vacation It's a biblical birthright that you deserve, and it has been given to you. Happy Sukkot, Chag sameach, and thank you for watching.